So let's come to the next one. If a is what? Given this one. This is what? Rational or irrational? It is what? Irrational. Because of what? Root 5 is irrational. 3 plus 2 root 5, this is also what? Irrational. Which one of the following is what? True about what? Using the given properties, that means a and b በመውሰድ የትኛው እውነት ነው ወይም ደግሞ is true የሚለውን እንመርጣለን ማለት a plus b. A plus b, a is what? That is 2 minus 2 root 3, root 5, sorry. This is plus what? 3 plus 2 root 5. Take this one. 2 plus 3 is what? That is equal to what? This is 5. Minus 2 root 5 plus 2 root 5. That is 0, yes? This is 0. So the value for this one, not this one. This is 3, sorry. This is 3. ምን ይሆናል ማለት 2 minus root 3. This is 2 minus 3 root 5 plus what? 3 plus 2 root 5, sorry. This is what? 2 plus 3 is what? 5. Minus 3 root 5 plus 2 root 5. root 5 የጋራ ይሆንና ምን እናደርጋለን ማለት ነው? like variable negative 3 plus 2 ምን ይሆናል? that means negative. This is negative 1 ይሆናል። negative root 5 ይሆናል። This is not correct. ትክክል አይደለም ማለት a plus b. a minus b ጋር ስንመጣ a minus b is equals what? a is what? This is 2 minus 3 root 5, yes? Minus this is what? 3 plus 2 root 5 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ይህን ስንወስድ 2 minus 3 is what? ምን እናደርጋለን? ራሽናል የሆኑትን እንቀንሳለን። ሴም ታይም ኢራሽናል የሆኑትን ቱጌዘር እንወስዳለን with root 5 የሆኑትን ማለት ቱጌዘር 2 minus 3 is what? That is what? minus 1. Minus 3 root 5 minus 2 root 5 is what? minus 5 root 5. This is the answer. What እዚህ ጋር this is not also correct. correct አይሆንም ማለት ነው። Let's come to what? a times b. a times b means what? Which is equals 2 minus 3 root 5. This is times what? This is times 3 plus what? 2 root 5. የዚህን ፕሮዳክት እንወስዳለን። ምን ማለት ነው? እዚህ ጋር 2 እና minus 3 root 5ን በእያንዳንዱ ተርም በዚህ እናባዛለን ማለት ነው። በሁለት ስናባዛ ምን ይሆናል? that is 6. 2 times 2 that is what? 4 root 5 ይሆናል። minus 3 root 5 times 3 ምን ይሆናል? that is what? minus 9 root 5. minus 3 root 5 times what? 2 root 5. minus 3 times 2 ምን ይሆናል? 6 ይሆናል። minus 6. minus 6 times what? the square root of 5 square ማለት 5 ስለሚሆን ምን ይሆናል? minus 13 ይሆናል ማለት which is equal to what? which is equals 6 minus 13 is what? that is negative 24, yes? 4 root 5 minus 9 root 5 is what? minus this is 5 root 5 ይሆናል። this says what? 36. It is not the correct answer. ሲም አይሆንም ማለት ነው። Let's come to the last one. It says what? 11a divided by what? b. What's that? 11a means what? Let's consider. Last one, it says what? 11 times a divided by what? This is divided by b. Multiply by 11, this means what? This is equal to 11 into 2 minus what? 3 root 5 divided by what? This is divided by b. b is what? 3 plus 2 root 5. Here we are. Solve this one. Let's rationalize the denominator. Denominator ምንድነው? irrational ነው። numerator ምንድነው? irrational ነው። ስለዚህ let's make it the denominator is what? rational. Change into rationalize እንለዋለን. The process is what? rationalizing the denominator. ይሄን ለማድረግ ምንድነው? take the difference, the product of what? 3 plus 2 root 5 times what? 3 minus 2 root 5 እንወስዳለን. which is equal to what? This is 11 times what? 2 minus 3 root 5 times what? This is what? 3 minus 2 root 5. This is divided by 3 plus 2 root 5 times what? This is 3 minus 2 root 5 ይሆናል ማለት ይሄ ይሆናል። After that you have to take the product which is equal to what? 11 is common which is equal to 2 times 3 is what? Numerator ስናባዛ that is what? 6 minus 2 times minus 2 root 5 is what? That is minus 4 root 5. Minus 3 root 5 times 3 is what? This is what? Minus 9 root 5. Yes? Minus 3 root 5 times what? Minus 2 root 5 minus 3 times minus 2 that is positive 6 ይሆናል። root 5 times root 5 means what? The square root of 25 ይሆናል። So 6 times 5 is what? That is 30. 30 ይሆናል። Divided by this becomes what? That means it has a forms a minus b. You know that a plus b is what? Which is equal to what? a square minus what? b square. This is binomial factors a minus b and a times a plus b. Because of that, this is equal to what? This is equal to 9 minus 2 square is what? 4. 4 times what? The square root of 25 is what? That is 5, which is equal to 11 into 16 minus plus 30 is what? That is 36. Yes, this is 36. Minus 4 root 5 minus 9 root 5 is what? That is minus 13 root 5. Yes, here we have. Divide by, this means 9 minus 20 is what? 4 times 5, 20 ስለሆነ 9 minus 20 is what? Negative 11, which is equals negative 11 ይሆናል። Now we cancel 11 by 11. Yes, this is a common factor for both, which is equal to, multiply the numerator by what? Negative 1. This is equal to what? Negative 36. Yes, plus what? 13 root 5. This is the answer. You have this choice? Yes, the choice D is what? The correct answer. ስለዚህ በዛ አይነት መንገድ ሌሎችንም መስራት እንችላለን ማለት ነው።